Hello. Hey, how's it going, dude? Wow, pretty strong. Woohoo! Damn.
It's hot.
Look at my hair.
Damn, finally.
Damn, I cut this joint.
Yo, you don't got lights in that joint?
Hell nah, the shit. Alright, so show us what we got here today.
Look, you can already tell we already took off the bumper.
Took the bumper off.
You guys don't need to see that.
Yeah, it's just, you know, just the top, and then you got like the side joints, and you know, it's just simple stuff.
Simple stuff.
But show us.
You want to see what we got going on? You guys want to see this first?
Little sneak peek. If you guys can guess this, put it down in the comments right now. I'll give you a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're done.
It's right here, man. What's this?
Damn! Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
You know.
Yo, this joint is fat. Look at my hand. Dude, this thing is thick.
ETS?
Like something I know.
Hey! Calmate, niño!
Yo.
Yeah.
Hey, you got this for a steal though, right?
I did.
Yeah, he got it for a good deal. Good deal, and it's brand new too.
It's been downstairs for like a couple months now.
Cause the guy said he bought it for STI, right? Or like
he
what?
meant to buy it for STI, but he messed up.
And then he messed up. So he sold that joint cheap. I should have got it. I'll buy it off you.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Yours is back there. You want to go show them?
Oh yeah, guys. We'll show you guys a little something here. First of all, Nelson's bag popped. Just like mine. Look at that. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. If your bag don't pop, then I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Look at my front mount. It's not as big, but it looks kind of cool. You know, Mishimoto. I got a good deal. It's used, but
there's not that many miles.
It's used, not that many miles. Like he said, 6,000 miles. We know the guy, so he ain't lying. He ain't lying. If he's lying, what's up, Marlon? What's up? But yeah, we're gonna install this front mount today, and this joint too. What brand is this?
Turbo SX.
Yeah, so Nelson said this joint sounds crazy.
Yeah.
It sounds like do 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 do.
It goes what do 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 do.
Damn, this show's gonna be nice. Let's see.
Yeah, you got that little thing just slapping everybody, slap your face.
You know, that's not the only thing that be slapping in my face.
See, we got the AOS in though.
Oh,
if you guys seen that video.
The AOS.
Yeah.
I wasn't here for that.
Yeah, I just got some clips. We didn't record a whole.
We're gonna do like a little short montage of, you know, the little things that Nelson did.
Yeah, we got new exhaust too.
Oh.
You guys want to hear that before we start or what?
Oh, wait, did you make it short?
I did.
Oh, okay, they gotta wait. Oh yeah, wait. Update on my car.
It's more clap
Update on my car. My car is clapped to the clap. Look at this. First of all, this lip gotta go. Look at this. Off, the corner came off. As you know, I got this for free. It was already kind of messed up, you know. My wheels, my tires were leaking. I can't find anyone that is selling that size, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Side skirt came off. It's right there. Side skirt. My fender liner's still off, and my sea lights don't work. Damn, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Dang. Okay, we gotta come back hard. We coming back hard today, starting today. Okay. I'm about to go home, spend like
millions of dollars.
Nah, hell nah.
He needs one of these. Tell him to order one of these. He needs this.
Yeah,
he needs the AOX.
Yeah, but I need my
flex fuel.
Flex fuel. Yeah. All right, well, let's get started on this.
All right, first we gotta take this crash bar off. Oh wait, no. Should we do the top mount first?
Yeah, we should just uninstall the top mount and then go from there.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this
Let's
time.
do it.
Let's do this time.
Now you can see the Airspeed logo.
Yeah, you know the vibe, dude.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, dude.
All you gotta do is take off this charge pipe.
Anyone want this? You can have it
for free.
Sight.
Thanks, buddy.
You have to pay me like $5,000.
That's right. And we can sign it too. Bro, we got one piping in. We had to take the support beam off right here, just like that. While Mauritius over there doing his fender liner. So we took the support beam off right here. You guys can see the support beam goes in this hole right here. Focus right here. There's 2 bolts back there. Let me see if I can get this for you guys. Right there. There's 2 bolts right there. But you gotta like unloosen this. Is this bolt right here, another one that goes right here, and one that goes right behind here. You have to follow it. Right behind all this, like right here, there's a bolt behind there. I might not put that one back because that was like kind of a pain in the ass to get back on. But you know, let's go back ahead and put that on right there, nice and tight, you know. And then we got this piping right here, nice and sturdy right there. You guys dig? Y'all dig? And then we're gonna get the blow valve on to there, and then boom, boom. It's looking so good so far. I love it. Hey, you loving it?
A little bit.
Let's go see what Maurice is doing over here. You guys new fender liner in? Okay. Looking a lot better.
Yeah.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm missing a lot of clips.
Dude, look at this. You barely had a fender liner. What the heck? You compare this to that? Dang. Well, at least you got 2 new ones finally. You need to get your wheels, man.
I know.
Alright. So we got this pipe on. Already right back there. You guys can see. We got this joint on. Now, actually, I still don't have it on. I still gotta, you know, this joint is being kind of a flat cur head, and it doesn't want to clip on to back there. It has to be right here, but this is just way too small, so it's being really annoying right now. So I'm gonna just forget about that for now and just move on to this pipe. That includes that pipe. Where's the other pipe at? Oh, that pipe right there, and the bypass valve, and then the thing that goes to the bypass valve right there.
This man just farted. Oh
What?
my
Boy.
god. Shut your mouth up.
Stop.
Anyways,
We're done.
front mount is in, baby. Woo! Yo, this looks pretty cool right here. That looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool.
So we still.
Yeah. So, I mean, it was literally like simple, right?
Yeah, it was simple, but we're not gonna finish up just because we have more parts to install. It makes no sense to put those and take it back off once we have take the
Yeah.
other parts off.
Yeah.
You guys will
yeah.
see which ones they are.
You guys aren't ready for this build. I'm telling you right now. This thing is crazy, dude. This thing's crazy.
They ain't ready.
Yo,
Huh?
what about all these people hating on the channel?
Dude. We have so many haters
Yo, these
now.
people, like, all right, guys, like, we know our cars aren't fast. We know, like, we aren't building race cars. We're just
not.
doing what we think is, like, we're
Cool,
just
what
doing,
we
yeah.
like and reliable.
Yeah,
you know?
we're just like, yo, I'm gonna make my car a little bit faster. And then people are like, oh yeah, my 5.0? Yeah, dude.
I got a Coyote,
They're
bro.
smoky, bro. I'm like, okay. I mean, you guys just need to calm down, bro. Just subscribe to the channel.
Just love.
Just relax.
There's nothing
Enjoy
but
the ride. I got a new car.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's I'm about to show you guys on the channel. It's something, you know, it's something cool, right?
Yeah.
No, it's
alright.
not. Anyways, yeah.
We got more stuff coming in. This is gonna be the finish. You wanna show them again? One last time? What it looks like?
Yeah.
So we got more parts coming in.
Yep.
It's gonna be over
More,
for a little
more.
more.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have a few parts myself. So this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Peace.